Om. 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 Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Namo Brahmadibhyo Brahma Vidya Sampradaya Kartrubhyo Vamsharusibhyo Mahadbhyo Namo Gurubhyah. Om Nidhaye Sarva Vidyanam Bhishaje Bhavaroginam Gurave Sarva Lokanam Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Brahmanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadrusham Tattvamasyadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadhe Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadguruntan Namami. Today's thought. Always remembering the goal. The goal is to be the self. And it is seemingly such a big struggle to understand the self, to meditate on the self, and to know the self. Why this difficulty is? The means and equipments with which we have to understand the self and transcend them to reach the self are the ones which are not properly rightly tuned. Then where to start from? Which is the sadhana? First of all, we must know that so many adjustments, so many arrangements, so many improvements have to be done with so much of commitment in spirituality. Then only that finer tuning will happen, after which alone the experience comes. Anywhere, any aspect, if we miss out, then we will be not able to catch the ultimate. Like in any of the journeys or in any of the vehicles which carry us towards the goal, even little bit of technical snag is there, or any of the parts are problematic. The entire journey will be sometimes not only not conducted or disturbed, it can be even detrimental. Small technical snags make the aircraft collapse or the rail engine come out of those tracks. We can see in the world. So too in spiritual journey, we have to ensure about everything to be perfect. What is that everything? The clarity of the goal to be reached, and the sadhanas which are told by scriptures, and more importantly, where do we stand today, then what is next step, etc. The more clarity we have and the more adjustments we make perfectly, the better, easier and assured will be our journey to reach the goal. Now each sadhana is important at its own place. Where to start from? Where the great people have started. Where the scripture tells us to start from. The thing is, what is that which makes our personality? Be careful about that and start setting it right. Things will start falling in right place. And what makes our all layers of personality is only one thing, and that is the food which we consume. Without Shuddha Sattva, we cannot meditate subtly and know the truth. And where from this sattva shuddhi, antakarana shuddhi or shuddha sattva comes? Ahara shuddhau sattva shuddhi. So many things we take important. But the thing because of which all the equipments gather their own qualities, natures, that we neglect, called as the food. And without any ambiguity, the relation is as the food we take, so will be all our sthula sharira, our indriyas, our mana, our buddhi. Quantity wise also, more importantly, the quality wise also. If we don't take care at this level, whatever the efforts we put to manage our other higher layers of personality, all efforts will be futile. Because this food is going to make that type of personality only. That is why, though looks to be simple, but very, very important is to be careful, conscious about the intake. First through the mouth, then expand it through all the sense organs, ahariyate, which is taken is called as ahara. Absolutely all the time, all the while we have to be careful what is going inside. That alone makes our mana buddhi. Also the quantity of it. You can see in this world, the great scientists or the poets or even good artists in their respective fields, if you can see their diet chart, it should be qualitative. And what qualitative it should be? It should nourish the sattva guna in us. As much it is important to avoid the tamasika and rajasika food, equally important is to take in the sattva vruddhi developing food. Sattva guna developing. Gita says, Ayu sattva bala arogya. See 6th chapter, when he says about meditation, Yunjannevam sadatmanam yogi netamanasa shanti nirvana paramam mat samsthamadhigacchati. Then immediately he says, the one who is not proper in his food, vihara, etc., yoga will be very difficult to him. Yukta ahara viharasya, yukta cheshtasya karmasu, yukta swapnava bodhasya alone yogo bhavati dukkha. And what are the foods? They are explained to us in that 17. Ayu sattva bala arogya sukha priti vivardhanaha tasya snigdha stira hrudyaha aharaha sattvika priyaha. As much important to avoid tamasic food. The more, see, we can see all, as I was explaining the example of all these artists and great people, they are so much conscious about the diet. The moment they become careless about the diet, etc., entire physical personality first bulges out, becomes lazy. Mind intellect also loses all inspiration. And very soon their performance falls down. They miss all the opportunities. You just see any field. These are all secrets because they should not be made public. Therefore they are hidden. But if you go into the details and find why this sports person who was so promising to excel, to scale heights, suddenly he just came like a lightning. And as we were expecting that he will really do well, suddenly we see that he is nowhere on the scene. Or his performance have become down and he lost all opportunities. Kyun aisa? You have to check only one thing. It is food. The physical food by mouth and all other food taken by the sense organs. And as long as that sports person or cinema person, whoever, maintain that type of food and chart, so long they will be fit enough to conduct more and more in their respective profession. In the worldly professions itself, if we have to take extreme care about the food, all the three, the quality of the food, absolutely sattvic, the quantity of food where we should not feel that the stomach is having little more heaviness than what is required, what it can digest. Always stomach says, this much only you give me, I will keep on digesting. As the food given to me is ending, when I am digesting it, again I will give you an application. That time you supply. Don't dump it. Give me the overload work. And whatever the overloading work you gave me, with all struggle, difficulty, I am trying to digest it. By the time not even half I have digested, again you have dumped the next quota. Then I am tired and I am exhausted. The stomach always gives the thing. That is why all the yogis, all these great people, mind also the quantity of the food. Then comes third one is the timings. As systematic the timings are, so the entire physiological systems, all of them, function in a disciplined manner, and there are no accidents, there are no problems happening within the body regarding the functions. And when the body is undisturbed, mind etc. also are undisturbed. And when the sattvic food like that of ghee and milk are properly, not too much also, minding it, you take it, definitely the mind will be always sharp and alert. Definitely the sense organs will be very powerful. Body will have its own tejas etc. So what is our today's lesson is Ahara Shuddhau Sattva Shuddhi. Whoever have managed Ahara properly, they maintained health for a long time, they maintained energy for a long time, they maintained their performances, successes for a long time. They were useful for themselves, they were useful for the society at large. Basic thing. And the problem with food is, it is not like buying a vehicle or constructing a house, that which when you do it once over for 30 years. कार एक बार खरीदा 5 साल तक टेंशन नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है भोजन का. It is everyday demand. Every day 3 times or 2 times demand. And every time what we take is molding our inner personality. As the food, so the personality. Conducive for meditation or not conducive for it. Now, the conclusion is, eating only tamasic food and wanting not to sleep in meditation and do meditation properly is a contradiction in terms. The morning when we come to this class, the type of food which we have eaten determines, not only today's food, yesterday, day before, determines how attentive and active, dynamic, interested we are in the class. Or how much heaviness, boredom, exhaustion we feel, that all depends on that. Taking tamasic or rajasic food, expecting this is contradiction. It is not possible. Our work is sattvic work. The gaining of knowledge, focusing our mind on itself for its control, etc. They are all the works of sattva gunam. The intellect, which is the one which has to work continuously to discriminate, to decide, to apply, to continuously monitor, ये सब stamina सत्व गुण का है. Go on acting, it is rajo गुण का stamina. Just slip away, tamo guna. So ahara shuddhau sattva shuddhi. From now onwards, we will be careful at every moment what is going inside, the quality of the food and how much. My father used to say, when we go to somebody's house, etc., khana dete, he always used to eat very limited. The host used to ask, ऐसा क्या आप कम क्यों खा रहे हो? He used to say, पता नहीं पूरा पेट भर खाया. तो suddenly if you bring from the kitchen the kheer, payasam and all ice creams, I may not have place. Therefore, I am keeping some space in spare. Or somebody else may invite with a better food than you. That is the humorous way of saying. But the idea is, always feel comfortable. एक उम्र में ना, after 50, if you don't eat, you feel weak. If you eat, we feel heavy. Very consciously we have to manage it. And that fellow digestive system also slowly starts, मेरा हो गया इस जन्म के लिए, अब मेरे से नहीं होगा. And not minding this aspect, how much ever struggle we do, I want to chant Veda mantra, mind will not cooperate. The body will not cooperate. वो झुकना ही चाहता है. Except in meditation, किसी के सामने नहीं झुकता है अपना देह या सर, सिर्फ ध्यान में ही झुक जाता है. Not in front of Paramatma, but in sleep. This is how clear. And anyway, we have in our own life, if we calculate how many drums and drums of the drinks or teas or coffees or ice cream, sambar, चावल खा चुके हैं ना, लाखों किलो खा चुके हो, अब हो उतना ही है. Now sadhana important. For that, Shuddha Sattva Guna Yukta Antakarana is important. For that, the first thing is the food today onwards. I have seen many people. Very interesting. They're so careful. Mami, only one chapati, he says. आप जितना भी खाओ, but मेरे को एक. I forced him. थोड़ा चावल अभी ले लो ना. नहीं 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 नहीं. Out to oblige me to get. And the next meal he skipped only. You know, he became a little more stronger to protect himself, because that is the only way. Swami ji ne diya karke, oblige karke khaya mano, so his sadhana will be disturbed. How disciplined you see in that. And I have seen some Swamis also. Many of them always in that full energy and dynamism. No complaint कि मुझे ये गैस प्रॉब्लम है, सर दर्द है. Never have. I'm always healthy because of food, proper food. And sadhana going on. See sadhana की दूर की बात. Why suffer with his body and food throughout life without ignorance and immaturity, not able to maintain properly? This is how a sadhaka thinks and starts his journey from there. Ahara shuddhau sattva shuddhihi. Remember this sentence. And sattva shuddhau dhyana siddhihi. Dhyana siddhau moksha siddhi. Om atha shukla yajurvedantargata ईशावास्य उपनिषद. Om atha shanti mandraha. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. Om शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Om ईशावास्यमिदगं सर्वं यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीथाः मा गृधः कस्य स्विद्धनं कुर्वन्नेवेह कर्माणि जिजीविषेच्छतगं समाः. एवं त्वयि नान्यथेतोऽस्ति न कर्म लिप्यते नरे. असुर्या नाम ते लोकाः अन्धेन तमसावृताः तागंस्ते प्रेत्याभिगच्छन्ति ये चात्महनो जनाः. अनेजदेकं मनसो जवीयः नैनद्देवा आप्नुवन् पूर्वमर्षत तद्धावतोऽन्यानत्येति तिष्ठत तस्मिन्नभो मातरिश्वा दधाति. तदेजति तन्नैजति तद्दूरे तद्वन्तिके तदन्तरस्य सर्वस्य तदु सर्वस्यास्य बाह्यतः. यस्तु सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मन्येवानुपश्यते सर्वभूतेषु चात्मानं ततो न विजुगुप्सते. यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मैवाभूत् विजानतः तत्र को मोहः कशोकः एकत्वमनुपश्यतः. सपर्यगाच्छुक्रमकायमव्रणम् अस्नाविरगं शुद्धमपापविद्धं कविर्मनीषी परिभूस्वयंभूः याथा तथ्यतोऽर्थान् व्यदधात् शाश्वतीभ्यः समाभ्यः. अन्धं तमः प्रविशन्ति ये अविद्यामुपासते ततो भूय इव ते तमः य विद्यायागं रताः. अन्यदेवाहुर्विद्यया अन्यदाहुरविद्यया इति शुश्रुमधीराणां येनस्तद्विचचक्षिरे. विद्यां च अविद्यां च यस्तद्वेदोऽभयगं सः अविद्यया मृत्युं तीर्त्वा विद्ययामृतमश्नुते अंधं तमः प्रविशन्ति ये असम्भूतिमुपासते ततो भूय इव ते तमः य उसम्भूत्यागं रताः अन्यदेवाहुः सम्भवात् अन्यदाहुरसम्भवात् इति शुश्रुमधीराणां येनस्तद्विचचक्षिरे सम्भूतिं च विनाशं च यस्तद्वेदो भयगुंसः विनाशेन मृत्युं तीर्त्वा सम्भूत्यामृतमश्नुते. Two things. First one is why all our scriptures are in the shloka form. 99% of them. Very few of them are in the gadya rupa. Maximum are patya rupa. For two reasons. One is only when it is in a form of poems or poetry, in a system, in a rhythm, the mind will be able to read them. Reading can become chanting, and that chanting makes it easy to remember. First thing. Second is, unless the mantras are remembered because of regular chanting, it is difficult for the Guru to teach us. It is difficult for ourselves also to understand while listening. It is more difficult for us when we are independent either of the satsang or the Guru or the Shastra, sitting ourselves for meditation to meditate if the mantras are not known. If the mantras are known in the beginning, though we don't know the meaning, when the Guru starts explaining to us the meaning, immediately we will be able to catch easily, remember easily, retain easily, which alone can help us at any time, like the ATM card or like the cash available in our pocket. The shloka is remembered, the meaning is remembered, the meditation is done. And that's how in our ancient study system, whether it is any of the subjects, they are taught only in the shloka form. You are an economist, economy is written only in the shloka form by Chanakya इत्यादि. Physicist वो भी श्लोक में ही होगा, मैथमेटिक्स भी श्लोक में ही होगा. पादोस्य विश्वाभूतानि त्रिपादस्यामृतं दिवि त्रिपादोदो उदयित पुरुषः पादोस्यः भवात् पुनः सप्तास्यासन पुरुष परिदयः त्रिसप्त समिदकृताः देवा यज्ञन्तन्वानाः अबद्धन् पुरुषं वशुम्. They are all mathematics only. Every science was in shloka form. So Guru will not tell the meaning in the beginning. पहले तुम पढ़ के आओ, chant करो by heart. Oh, you are clear now by hearted? Now no need of book. I am telling the words, meaning already you are aware of the mantras by hearted. Therefore you will also have the interest when the meaning is told. ऐसा इस मंत्र का ये अर्थ है क्या? Many of us are pseudo intellects, think chanting is not required, let us know the meaning. At the time of knowing the meaning, they know it, but within few minutes they forget it. But the shloka form inherently has a secret chavi to remind us of the meanings the moment you chant them. Like Guru को भगवान के रूप में, विष्णु के ब्रह्म के रूप में मानकर उनको प्रणाम करना है, this you will not remember. But if the shloka is remembered, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru, immediately the entire thing comes into our mind. Why it is in the shloka form? Because it becomes enchanting and it is easier for remember. And why to remember the shlokas? Only when the shlokas are remembered, then we will be able to see the meaning of every word, entire shloka, and the 3-4 shlokas which become a subject. An entire Upanishad which has got a unique single theme. This we have to know. Second more important is what? How many number of times we chant Upanishads? We by heart the mantra, we listen the class, we study the book, we understand it, we ourselves give the lectures, we may write the commentaries, we may become a Swami and head, we may start an ashram, we may teach to the next generation of disciple, we may make many people also again sanya. Jitna bhi karo, as long as my actual practical sadhana has not started, I am not even 1 inch towards the goal. For example, from last 7 days, today is the 7th day, we are studying Ishavasya Upanishad. We have learned the mantras. We are listening continuously. And we are obliging Swamiji and chanting in room because the mantra is small, chanting it 1 or 8 times. All this is done. But how much of the transformation or experience happened in us? Directly proportional to how much of the sadhana we have done of the knowledge gained. Whether it is Brahma Vidya Ishavasya Vidagam, whether it is Vidyam Cha Vidyam Cha, whether it is Sambhutim Cha Vinasham Cha, nobody was helped by theory in the whole history, right from creation onwards till now. And nobody was denied of the result, the one who was practical. Therefore, chant slokas, learn slokas to understand the meaning. When the meaning is known, let us do sadhana to make that meaning our own experience. So, this is what. Now, up to this sloka number 14, entire essence of spiritual Vedantic knowledge is given. Sadhana is Ishavasya Vidagam. The result of that sadhana is Yastu Sarvani Bhutani Atmaiva Bhutvijanata. Then Yasmin Sarvani Bhutani Yastu Sarvani Bhutani Atmaneva Anupashati Sarvabhutensya Atmanam. Second is Yasmin Sarvani Bhutani Atmaiva Bhutvijanata. Sadhana is Ishavasya Vidagam Yatkincha Tena Tektena Bunjita. Uska result kya hai? This experience. This is called as Sarvatmya Bhava. What is Sarvatmya Bhava? Sarvam Atma Eva Abhut. Ya to Sarvani Bhutani Atma Eva Abhut. That is Sarva Atma Bhava. Now when this is achieved as a result of Ishavasya Mityadi Sadhana, what is the Lakshana or the benefit of reaching to this Sarvatmya Bhava? The two things are indicatedly said, from which we have to understand all problems are resolved. The 2 or 3 things told are na vijugupsate, na shokaha, na moha. Tato na vijugupsate and tatra ko moha kah shokaha. When he is with the world, there is no jugupsa for him about the world. When he is himself with himself in the mind, there is no moha, confusion with himself. And because there is no moha in him, there is no shoka. So shoka rahitya, moha rahitya, jugupsa rahitya, opposite things. In the place of shoka, there is ananda. In the place of moha, there is a jnanam. In the place of jugupsa, there is love because of oneness. This is called realization. What is to be done? Then, if this is directly not done, the Ishavasya Upanishad, these are all Vihanga Margam. Like the flying of the bird. Where, Ishwar ka sabda dekhna hai, dekhte gaye, Atma Upamyena ho gaya, Ismin Sarvani ho gaya, then Shoka Moha chala gaya. Those who couldn't do that, for them, second step is said, Kurvanneveha Karma. The upper one was, the earlier one was, for those who are Viveki, Vairagi, Samadhi, Satka, Sampada, Yukta, and unka Mumukshita bhi hai, they went to Guru. Guru asked them, Guru told Ishavasya Vidagam Sarvam, ho gaya, they did it done. They are very clear cut in their inner personality, in their approach, when the guidance is given to follow that and reach out. Some people are there in Paravas also, sometimes some works happen like that. Chakachak, Dhanadan, Takatak, Fatavat, Hojat. But in other times, so many of hangovers, hang-ups, hiccups, hesitations, inhibitions, inabilities, this confusion, both are. To avoid all that kachra, we are told, Niveya Karmani. Now, karmas are Nishiddha Karma, Kamya Karma, Nitya Naimittika. Nishiddha Kamya Karma, Nishiddha Karma karne wala to narak mein. Kamya Karma karne wala always in the samsar. What is to be done are Nitya Naimittika. What are they? Yajna Dana Tapaha, all our duties is already told. Now, when Kurvanneveha Karmani is told, it has to be elaborated. How many karmas are there? Is directly from the karma we can go to knowledge, or along with karma we can get the knowledge, or is there anything else where I have to shift flight to catch the third flight, like one flight to other flight when you go, in between you will be told to sit in the bus, you will be pushed into the other flight, they wahan le jate. The inter-terminal changes वगैरह होते हैं. Is there anything that clarity is given by the Upanishad. And what Upanishad gave, that alone again is elaborated either in Puranas or in Itihasas through the story. The nichod of all Purana Itihasas is Upanishad, but Upanishad ka expansion alone to tell us suitably is all these Itihasas Puranas. What are that? First, karma. That it is explained here as avidya. Second, it is said upasana. That is said as vidya. So keep on doing the told karmas. Then start doing upasana of that Ishvara who told us to do this karmas, etc. and who gives both results of our karma. One result is whatever the result you wanted of the bhautika jagat, of this world or that world. Other result is which a spiritual seeker wants, that is the clarity, purity of his antakarana, from where wanted the world it has become the. Both are given by the Lord. Therefore, he should be made as upasya devata and do the upasana of him. That is called as vidya. They are all again in the world. They have nothing to do with the Brahmajnana. Brahmajnana mein aham brahmasmi vicharana, aganda brahmakara vritti, maintaining in that vritti for some time, the experience comes, stay in that experience, become the anustishta, established in that. Nishtatva ho jata hai. But to get into that groove of meditation, we are all doing this preparation. And when we do the upasana also, again there are two upasanas. One upasana is of a Saguna Paramatma, and Saguna Paramatma are right from your parents onwards to the Guru, from the Guru onwards to your own Kula Devata, from Kula Devata to your Ishta Devata, from Ishta Devata to the Guru Ukta Devata, for Guru Ukta Devata to Shastrokta Devata, up to Hiranyagarbha. They are all called as Saguna Sakara Upasya Devatas, whose worship is very essential because of their grace alone. All the path is made free from obstacles. Karna padta. All different gods have different blessings to give. Or one god only you select. This facility is given, not in the market. In the market, for every object, you have to go to different shops. There may be a super bazaar also. If you select one guru or one Ishtadeva, to him alone we can do Anushtana or Upasana. He can alone, through recommendation to other gods, he can clarify. If you have an officer known in the particular office, when you go for a work which has to go to different departments of the same office, go to that officer, it is enough. He only will call other departmental clerks and कहते हमारा बंदा है काम कर दो. The file has to move. It has to get clearance. It has to get stamp and signature at every step. There are different things are there. The credentials they see, the qualifications they see, the promises they see, the certificate they see. Each one of them they will ultimately occur. In the, either this way or that way, but they are all Saguna Upasana. Again this Saguna Ishvara, they will give again the results of other lokas if you require. Otherwise, what he says is, he will give specific, special Sattva Guna powers, which are essential for spiritual understanding, spiritual pursuits. Now again, all of that is still dealing with Upadhis only. Upadhis also we have to transcend to know the truth. Upadhis can be transcended by knowing the truth, but before that, the Upadhi Laya, Upadhi disappearance, Upadhi reduction. Upadhis have done both. They have given me what I wanted, but I found they are not complete or infinite, therefore I gave up that. And I also wanted the qualification for sadhana, etc. Upadhis gave me that. Ab wo bhi nahi chahiye. Then what we do? We start transcending from the named and formed Lord to the beyond name and form, but again a Upasya Devata. It is called as Nirakara Saguna Upasana, Avyakruta Saguna Upasana, where you don't attribute a particular name and form, but we have in us the understanding that there is a power which is managing the entire show, Avyakta Upasana. Called as Asambhuti Upasana is that. Now when these steps, all of them are conducted, we attentive. We are almost through all the journeys we have to conduct. then only two things are there. The door has to be opened and we have to be welcomed in or received in or taken in and made to sit in our due seat. That we cannot do. Because when we have to do, I have to be there. When I am there, I cannot discover the ultimate I. That's the last point. There, this Guru or Paramatma, whose Upasana is Ishtadeva, we have done from the beginning, though he was helping us continuously at every step, unknowingly or without our knowledge, that Guru whose Upasana we have done, or Ishvara whose Upasana we have done, will come up at that last point. We have to enter, but we can't enter. We have to open the door, but we can't open the door. There is somebody required. There he comes to our rescue. And at that moment, all our efforts are completed. Completed efforts are put in front of him. And what we want, that application is put in front of him. Our job is only to wait for his grace to happen. Wait for his grace to make it happen. वहाँ हम नहीं कर सकते. Therefore, ask from your side nothing other than that. It will be. This is one meaning. The other meaning is yam sadhakam esha atma vrunide. To whatever the sadhaka, the atma vastu selects, to him he reveals himself. Same shloka, Upanishad has put the trick, because that is how it is done, it happens, and that is how alone it can be explained. क्योंकि हमारा तरफ से जो करना है वो भी उसी सेंटेंस में बताना है. करने के बाद जो भगवान को करना है, उनको करने देना है, वो भी उसी सेंटेंस में कहना है. यमेव एष वृणुते तस्य लभ्यः तस्य एष आत्मा स्वाम तनु वृणुते. Interesting it is sloka. Now here these mantras from 15 onwards are the fully qualified person applied and exam is done, first level, second level, interviews, everything is over. Just orders have to come of the posting. Comes order, immediately goes, reports, done. पूरा साधना का नहीं करना है. But last one वही कर सकते हैं. Logic बताया. Because if we do, we as an individual doer will be there. The doer is not the one we have to realize. We have to realize the self. Self is beyond all these individualities doing. वो होने के लिए ये चुप होना चाहिए. And he did it by doing upasana to the Surya and listening from him. So Bhagavan Surya is Daiva as well as Guru for the Yajnavalkya Rishi. No, naturally, appropriately, he will call Aditya only, no, for blessings here. If you and I have done Vishnu or Shiva Puja, for us the last mantras will be of that Vishnu and Shiva. हमने जो दाता किया, आपको जो करना है करो, दरवाजा खोलो, दर्शन दे दो. Be careful, and every step of what is explained in last 20 minutes, we have to travel and experience that we are at that moment, at that particular time. Where we stand, from there we have to start. We have to avidya se हमें start करना है. From the karma, yajna dana tapa for some years. Then upasana. Every day that is by the schedule. Early morning, the theory, Parabrahma, the goal is understood. Throughout the day, yajna is performed. And evening, we do upasana. Every day has these three type of timings for these three only. When they are done for a long time, morning because of satsang and dhyanam, the goal becomes very convincing in us. Throughout the day we are doing yajna, therefore all purity antakarana sa ho jata hai. And every day we are doing upasana, then we will be in that good list and book of Bhagavan to bless us. Keep on doing, a day will come where all these three will be fulfilled completely. The yajnas give antakarana shuddhi complete, so stop all yajnas. Upasanas give the full blessing of God, that is over, finished. Then morning study, all that also is led to all the clarity. Then only sit for dhyanam, do the prayer, and the blessing comes, the experience. Let us see one or two mantras today, whatever time there. Now, mantra number 15. हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापिहितं मुखं तत् त्वं पूषन् अपावृणो सत्य धर्माय दृष्टये. This is different levels is explained. We will see only two ways. What is that? Oh Lord, I wanted to have the pratyaksha darshana of you, my upasya daiva. You have covered yourself with these golden powerful rays, which are appearing like a shield. Remove that and let me have darshan of yours. This is upasya devata darshana, which gives fulfillment, assurance, and upasya deva, when he comes, he will not go without giving the boons. Yes, up drama, yes, up. Second is, from the Advaita Jnana standpoint, I have done from my side everything, O Lord. I have approached almost, but you, the Lord, the Self, whom I want to realize as myself, is full of so much brightness and brilliance and tejas, whom I am not able to face. Because I am a small jiva and sadhaka. Reduce your power and allow me to merge in you. Both ways this mantra means. The address is Pushan, O Lord Surya. What is it? Hiranmayena Patrena. Patra is a vessel type of thing. O Lord Son, a Patrena. Hiranmayena, and that is full of glittering gold. See, already it is a shield, Patra covering. And even if you try to pierce through it to see, that is like gold shining so much that while trying to see, my eyes myself themselves are getting so much blinded. Like when you try to see the Surya, not only we will not be able to see Surya, but after seeing Surya, we will not be able to see anything else. आज ट्राई करना दोपहर में 5-10 मिनट, कल ट्राई करो, कल उपनिषद हो जाएगा ना, तो देखते ही रहना सूर्य. Especially on the Grahana day, if you see, after the eyes will not be there. So to make us very humble and make us pray to the Lord for His grace, at that moment only, all the arrogance that I have done my sadhana, I have come up to this place, still I am not getting result, ये सब चला जाएगा. Just when we just totally surrender, knowing that because of His grace alone this will happen, the total surrender invokes His total grace, leading to the total experience. If the surrender is incomplete, grace cannot be complete, experience can never come. So what is the point? He Pushan, Hiranmayena Patrena. Satyasya Mukham. Say Satyasya. Of you, the truth. For me, you are the truth. For every disciple, the Guru is Satya. For every devotee, the Bhagavan is Satya. For every Adhyaya student, the Shastra is Satya. For every sadhaka, Paramatma is Satya. Satyasya Mukham Apihitam. Hiranmayena Patrena. So physically, if you see, you want to see the sun, but then so many, the blazing kiranas are there, the Kanti Punjam is there, so much bright that we are not able to see the sun. And Guru and Paramatma, for us, especially Paramatma, when He comes to us with all His powers, we cannot withstand to His power, we will dissolve. That is why Guru Paramatma reduces all those powers and takes up only one power of giving us the knowledge, comes in the form of Guru. When municipal councillor or MLA comes to our house, we don't know how to host him. Confused. Because we don't have facility, we don't have the words, we cannot. जब पूरे अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक भगवान आएंगे तो how can we cannot. That is why He comes as the Guru. So here He says Hiranmayena Patrena Satyasya Mukham Apihitam. It is so many ways. This sentence can be explained in 10-12 ways. So many. We will not touch all. But दो बातें बताते हैं. One, I have come to the samishti level, but I am not able to transcend that, to know you, the self. Second is, I have come to understanding the level of Hiranmaya Patra. Jnana, pura aa gaya. I understood everything without doubt. But the experience that, the knowledge of that God, that it is me alone, that I am not able to get. That is called as Satyasya Mukham Apihitam Hiranmayena Patrena. Means my own Sattva Guna, my own knowledge, which took me up to near the truth, that alone becomes again obstacle for revealing the truth. And that we cannot remove. It is His power and His grace, He alone. So Hiranmayena Patrena satyasya mukham apihitam pushan tvam tat apavrunu. Please remove that Hiranyamaya patra, the cover, for me to see. Who are you? Why should you see? How can I allow you to see? What is your qualification? Satya Dharmaya. They are very beautiful words. पहले मैंने धर्म को सत्य मानकर धर्म का ही जीवन जिया, अर्थ काम को छोड़ दिया, सत्य को ही मैंने धर्म माना. दैट इज मोक्ष पुरुषार्थ के लिए मैं तैयार होके आया हूं. दैट इज वाई माई क्वालिफिकेशन. आई वॉन्ट टू सी यू. You means the Surya Bhagavan Pratyaksha along with Surya Loka. If you want the Upasya Deva Darshana. You, the Surya, is Parabrahma alone, the Nirguna Tattva. Dono. And they happen. If you ask directly for Brahma Anubhava, that will come. If you want to have also the glimpse of the Upasya Devata, that भी वो देंगे, फिर बाद में अंदर भी ले जाएंगे. Like Krishna showed Arjuna the entire Vishwarupa, then Atma Rupa ध्यान में. लास्ट में कल देखा इन द भागवत. सो सत्य धर्माया इज सच ए इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड. व्हाट इज दैट? फर्स्ट आई थॉट, आई अंडरस्टूड धर्म अलोन इज सत्य, ऑल अदर्स आर मिथ्या और असत्य. आई वेंट ऑन डूइंग धर्म. इन द धर्म ओनली all those yajna dana tapa karma, everything I did. And when I become absolutely purified and my knowledge also grew, then I understood dharma, satya alone is ultimate dharma. That is why in Gita, first all dharmas you practice. End में सर्व धर्मान परित्यज्य माम सत्यम एकम परिव्रज शरणम व्रज. aham satyam ekam. Clear? So to Bhagavatam, first shloka, satyam param dhimahi. To get the qualification to do dhyanam on parama satyam, parama dharma abhyasam kuru. Parama dharma abhyasam is Paramatma alone is ashraya. They were totally sharanagati to him. That is taught in the 12th chapter. To understand that in 12th chapter, you have to understand the 11th chapters all jnanam, the 10th chapters all glories. Even to understand glories of God in 10 and the knowledge of God in 11, you have to do from 3rd skanda to 9th skanda all sadhanas. But ultimately, parama dharma जो शरणागति है, उसका अभ्यास करके जब भगवान की कृपा होती है, परम सत्य का ध्यान करते हैं. लास्ट मोमेंट में अगेन इट इज द ग्रेस ऑफ द लॉर्ड अलोन which gives us that experience. Therefore here an ardent prayer that I have done whatever is to be done, whatever is told. Now I am in front of you. You are just having that cover which I should not and I cannot remove. You alone just remove that cover. Give me the darshan. Satya dharmaya mamyam drushtaye. For me the Satya dharma to see. Tat he bhushan tvam apavruno. Hiranymayena patrena. Hiranyamaya means that prakashamaya, jyotirmaya patra. And then it is Satyasya means here the sun who is in this Aditya Mandala, he is covered. So there are how many Adityas? 4 Aditya hai. One Aditya who is there in us. This is called Adhyatmika Aditya, who is in our right eye. Second Aditya is Adibhautika Aditya, who is there in front of us, Subha se Sham tak. Third is the Paramatma who is expressing that Aditya, called as Adidevika Aditya, जो इंद्र सभा में अपने कुर्सी में बैठे रहते हैं. इंद्र सभा में कुर्सी में बैठने वाले सूर्य, ये जो बहुत गरम गरम वाले जो जलने वाले हैं ना, वो नहीं है, फिर उनसे सूक्ष्म है वो. If this hot Surya goes, others will become pakode. It is Adi Daivika Surya, Adi Bhautika Surya, Adhyatmika, Adi Bhautika, Adi Daivika. Then the ultimate Surya is the Atma of the Surya, who is Paramatma himself. So Satyasya means all these levels. Let me discover your presence in my eye, because of which I am able to see you. Let me discover your glorious contribution in the sustenance of the entire world, in which I am a part, Adi Bhautika. And let me also worship you, the Adi Daivaka, under whose control all devatas, all adhisthana devatas are there, because of which all sadhanas, everything is happening. Ultimately, you are Parabrahma alone. So that mukham of you, who are you? Satya. Satyasya mukham apitam. Now understand how much our sadhana we do. The revelation happens only by His grace, said even by the Upanishad itself. And it is doing the prayer here. After doing all sadhana, first sadhana करके प्रार्थना करना है, या पहले प्रार्थना करके whatever guidance we get, with all that we have to go on doing sadhana. Then at the time of result, it is not in our hands. Again, let us do prarthana. Only prarthana without sadhana will not give result. Only sadhana without prarthana will not give result. Vidyam cha yastadveda ubhayagam saha. That is the meaning. Then again this Surya Bhagavan is prayed. In the next mantra, Pushan ekarshe yama surya prajapatya vyuha rashmin samoha tejo yatte rupam kalyanatamam tatte pashyami yosavasau purushaha sohamasmi. One of the most beautiful sloka it is. Prayer starting with all the pleading. Because as a bhakta, as a sadhaka, as a jiva, as the one who is in the bandhanam to want to get liberated, he will have to be humble. To be humble is the greatest sadhana. To be able to be humble is the greatest blessings. Because that alone invokes the ultimate grace. There is no humbleness, arrogance is there, neither it is sadhana, nor it is a qualification to get help or blessings. And other than humbly praying, what else as a jiva can we do? What belongs to us? What can we do? What have we done? So Bhagavan ne to diya hai, sab ability, facility, opportunity. So Pushan, the Lord, the Poshaka Karta, Eka Rishe, the one who singly moves in this horizon, the sky, Eka Rishi, Eka Eva Rushati Gachati, Yama. Then he is the one who does the samyamanam of everybody. Lord Surya is the samyamana, Yama, because Surya Gati decides the time. In time only all of us end. हमारा जीवन भी, हमारा यूथहुड भी, हमारा बुढ़ापा, हमारा हेल्थ, our money, our relations, सब end होते हैं in time. आए थे in time, but in time they all will go. He is Yama. Then Surya, he is called as Surya because he takes away all the rasa and even the prana of everybody into him. According to one of the ways of Vedanta Upanishads, when the jiva dies, he will be taken into Surya Kiranas. And Surya again, he will throw it into the ocean. From the ocean it goes into the clouds. From the clouds through the rain it will come to the all these Gehu Vagara Dhana. From the Dhana it comes into Purusha. From the Purusha it is entered into the Stri. And that is how the jiva is born. This is how one way of jiva gati. So, and everything is sucked into by Surya alone. Surya ke garmi se sab unke andar hai. Even the highly boiling point, the metals which are there, when it is taken close to Surya, or close to Surya means close to the temperature in which Bhagavan Surya is there, they just disappear. Where have they gone? They are gone into sun only. So that is a Surya means the one who takes away everything. Surya, then Prajapatya, the son of Kashyapa Prajapati. Then what is said? Vyuha Rashmin. Then please take away all these kiranas which are not allowing me to see you in any form. Adhyatmika also I am not able to see you because the rashmis of the perception, the rashmis of the thoughts are distracting me so much. But I am not, because of which I am not able to see you whose grace is making me see. As long as we focus on the sound, we will not be able to focus on the source of the sound. To focus on the source of the sound, we have to transcend the effect of the sound. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, all the meditation techniques they tell. And when you go to the focus, to the source, all the expressions disappear, we reach to the reality. Here also and there also, I am not able to see because your Rashmis, if you have Vyuha Rashmina, Nikaldo Rashmina, then Samoha Tejaha, all your Tejas is there, पूरा एक इकट्ठा करके पोटली बना के साइड में रखो, so that te rupam kalyanathamam yat, whatever your most kalyanathamam beautiful form is there, tat te pashyami tava, that I want to see you. Here also I want to see your kalyanathamam, Adi Bhautika also, I want to see you. And Adi Daivika also, I want to see you. This way when the prayer was going on, as if in that prayer there is sincerity, there is ardence, there is qualification, there is readiness, there is humbleness. Sab kuch usme hai. Do you think the Guru and God, to most undeserving fellows only, they give all opportunities? We are the examples. When such a great qualified person has approached with such a perfect sadhana completed, perfect humbleness, do you think the Lord will not reveal? He started revealing first the Purusha who is there in the Dakshinakshi, the Surya ko. Second, he revealed the Surya there. The Tejavan Surya's Kiranas have gone, and he could see the Surya Godam, Adibhautika Surya. Then the Aditaivika Pratyaksha Surya, as if Saptashvara Tamarudam, Prachandam, Kashyapatmajam, Shvetapadmadharam Devam, Tam Suryam, Pranamamyaham, Adideva Namastubhyam, Prasideva Bhaskara, Divaka Namastubhyam, Prabhaka Namostute, Javakuso Sankasham, Kashyapayam, Mahadyutyam, Tamognam, Sarvapagnam, Pranatosmi Divakaram. Namasavitre, Jagadeka Chakshushe, Jagat Prasuti, Sthitinashayatave, Trayimayaya, Trigunaatmadarine, Virinchi, Narayana, Shankaratmane, Brahma Swarupade, Madhyahne, Tumeshwara, Astakale, Swayam Vishnu, Trayamurti Divakara, Eka Chakrato, Yas, Divya Kanaka Bhujda, Soyam Bhautana Prita, Padmasto Divakara, Surya Mandalam. Dhyeya Sada Savitru Mandala Madhyavarti, Narayana, Sarsjasana, Sannivishta, Keiravan, Makara Kundalavan, Kiriti, Hari, Hiranyamaya Vapur, Dhruta, Shanka Chakraha. These are all beautiful mantras we describe about Adi Daivik Surya. He revealed that Adi Daivika also. And as the Lord Surya with his prayer, when he was revealing one by one his form, first Adhyatmika, then Adi Bhautika, then Adi Daivika, when all that are over, ultimately the Surya as if pleased with this devotee or sadhaka, two in one, Karmi fulfilled all Karma Yogas. Then Upasaka, all Upasanas done. Sadhana, Ishavasyam, sab kuch kiya hai. Full all certificates, everything checked, test, perfect. Sign karna hai bas. Finally, when even that Adi Daivika form also, when he withdrew, what was seen by this devotee or sadhaka is nothing but his own self there standing, in which darshanam, all his journey completes, where he discovers himself to Bhagavan, son to be Bhagavan himself, that is the Atma Anubhava. Surya Atma and Mama Atma are one. Surya Atma Jagatastastascha, Surya Advai Kalvimani Bhutani Jayante, Surya Adya Parjanyodnyam Atma Namaste Aditya. So that is what he says. Tejo yatte rupam kalyanatama tatte pashyami. Then, when both ways, I want to see you, there is a demand also is there. In one version, there is a demand. In another version, there is a devotion. In a demand position, what is there? Yosavasau Purusha. How can you not reveal yourself to me? It is as if you and are different. Like when the two partners are there, one partner cannot hide anything. ये सब बोलना पड़ता है. वो लॉकर रूम से लेकर सब चीजें कॉमन रहते हैं. No, you and I are one self alone. How can't you reveal? Even if you don't reveal, if you want to hide, I myself will see you, and I found you yourself to be myself. This is one way of the strong feeling कि तुम मैं एक है. Because in that extreme oneness, there the power of commanding also comes. Yosavaso Purusha, Sohamasmi. Hey, what the Purusha is there in me and what the Purusha there is one alone. I am alone that. I have realized that. Jitna bhi, matlab, there is, as I told you, it can be explained in 10-12 forms. So much I am requesting, pleading, you are not removing the Hiranyamaya Patra, not revealing to me. Never mind, you don't reveal, I myself will know that the self in you and the self in me is one alone. Finish. Why should I need your blessings and grace? I am that self who has blessed everybody. ये arrogance है, pure, positive, शुद्ध अहंकार आत्मा अनुभव में होता है. It's not that ahankara as it is negative. With that Shuddha Ham Brahmasmi Aham only, entire Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan Krishna says, remember me, do salutations, me, surrender to me. It is not done from the Avatara Krishna. He spoke from the Parabrahma Krishna. For that, the proof is in the 15th chapter. As a Avatara Krishna, he himself demonstrates to Arjuna how to surrender. How tameva chadyam purusham prapadye yatah pravrutti prasruta purani. I am surrendering to that Adya Purusha from whom the entire creation and samsara has came. He himself did that prayer and showed to Arjuna. Tameva Adyam Purusham Aham Prapadye. Arjuna was not told. He himself did it. Because the entire chapter is Bhagavan Vach. So here that is. The devotion thing is what? When he was praying that way, the Lord started revealing. As he was seeing, he found himself only there. Yasau Purusha Saha Ahamasmi. And he was in that Uttavalapan, he was in that joy. I was thinking, what is it, what it looks like. Ultimately, it is revealed and found that the Lord in the Son, the Self in the Son, and the Self in me are one and the same. Oh, what a joy! Because the joy of meeting a person who is known is always unique. In a big crowd, when you know somebody and you meet him, Are tum ho, ho gaye ki nahi? Now the joy of meeting a known familiar person is so great. How great will be the joy when it is known that it is me alone. It is like, who is the top ranker this year in the university? Somebody to aaya hai. Who is that? Who is that? If he is my friend, how beautiful it is. Are tumhe mila re, itna anand. Is it not? If your friend comes topper and if you really love him, Hare congrats. What is the experience of that friend who came topper? He was looking for, who is the topper? It is me alone. This joy is in any day more than the joy of all other friends. For them it is secondary ananda, but it is first ananda for him. Direct first hand experience to him. So yasa vasau purushaha saha ahamasmi. Why is purushaha? He is there in the Puri, Purushayana, and he is in the Purusha Rupa. All Purusharthas done by him alone. And it is said that the padas are of the Lord are the Bhuloka, and Antariksha Loka is his stomach and all, hands, and the Shirobhaga is Swarloka. In this way, the entire world is Purusha Rupa only, and that Purusha is Surya Bhagavan. That is called a Purusha. Then he is complete. And Purusha, by Prana, Deha, Mana, Indriya, all of them are fully filled Purnataya by this Lord. Nowhere the Lord is not there. Everywhere he is there. That is why everything is existing, everything is functioning. For different reasons, he is mentioned as Purusha. So when the journey completes, our ride, we surrender and pray. When the prayer is heard and he answers it, there is a revelation. In the time of revelation, you will see the God in you, you will see the God in the world, you will see the God beyond seeing, that is Adidevika Devata. Him also can be seen. Ultimately, you will see the self alone as everywhere. Soham asmi. So this is how his anubhava of aham brahmasmi is over. Surya. Then what happens to the body? It remains. How long? What is to be done with that? The last two mantras tell. See tomorrow. Let us do the wonderful chanting of these mantras. Om Hiranmayena Patrena 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 Satyasyapihitam mukham 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 Tattvam pushan apavruno 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 Satya dharmaya drushtaye 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 हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन्नपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन्नपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन्नपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन्नपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन्नपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन्नपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन्नपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन्नपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन्नपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये. First we will see the word and then 9 times, then the complete. We will change the system. As we are doing, the improvements keep on happening even in talking and all. So first every word, ek bar, then 9 times every sentence, then again 9 times. Hiranmayena patrena satyasya apihitam mukham tat tvam पूषन् अपावृणु सत्य धर्माय दृष्टये पूषन् एकर्षे यम सूर्य प्राजापत्य all these are vocative संबोधन व्यूह रश्मीन समूह तेज रिक्वेस्ट यत ते रूपम कल्याणतमम यत ते रूपम which is कल्याणतमम tat te pashyami that te by your grace pashyami I am seeing it now. And what is the experience? Yah asau purushah this person saha aham asmi that is me alone. Pushan ekarshe yama surya पूषन्नेकर्षे यमसूर्य 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 पूषन् एकर्षे यम सूर्य प्राजापत्य 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 व्यूहरश्मीन 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 समूह तेजः 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 यत्ते रूपं 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 कल्याणतमं 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 तत्ते पश्यामि 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 योऽसावसौ पुरुषः 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 सोऽहमस्मि 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 पूषन्नेकर्षे यम सूर्यप्राजापत्य व्यूहरश्मीन् समूहतेजो यत्ते रूपं कल्याणतमं तत्ते पश्यामि योऽसावसौ पुरुषः सोऽहमस्मि पूषन्नेकर्षे यमसूर्यप्राजापत्य व्यूहरश्मीन् समूहतेजः यत्ते रूपं कल्याणतमं तत्ते पश्यामि योऽसावसौ पुरुषः सोऽहमस्मि पूषन्नेकर्षे यमसूर्यप्राजापत्य व्यूहरश्मीन् समूहतेजः यत्ते रूपं कल्याणतमं तत्ते पश्यामि योऽसावसौ पुरुषः सोऽहमस्मि पूषन्नेकर्षे यमसूर्यप्राजापत्य व्यूहरश्मीन् समूहतेजः यत्ते रूपं कल्याणतमं तत्ते पश्यामि योऽसावसौ पुरुषः सोऽहमस्मि पूषन्नेकर्षे यमसूर्यप्राजापत्य व्यूहरश्मीन् समूहतेजः यत्ते रूपं कल्याणतमं तत्ते पश्यामि योऽसावसौ पुरुषः सोऽहमस्मि पूषन्नेकर्षे यमसूर्यप्राजापत्य व्यूहरश्मीन् समूहतेजः यत्ते रूपं कल्याणतमं तत्ते पश्यामि योऽसावसौ पुरुषः सोऽहमस्मि पूषन्नेकर्षे यमसूर्यप्राजापत्य व्यूहरश्मीन् समूहतेजः यत्ते रूपं कल्याणतमं तत्ते पश्यामि योऽसावसौ पुरुषः सोऽहमस्मि पूषन्नेकर्षे यमसूर्यप्राजापत्य व्यूहरश्मीन् समूहतेजः यत्ते रूपं कल्याणतमं तत्ते पश्यामि योऽसावसौ पुरुषः सोऽहमस्मि पूषन्नेकर्षे यमसूर्यप्राजापत्य व्यूहरश्मीन् समूहतेजः यत्ते रूपं कल्याणतमं तत्ते पश्यामि योऽसावसौ पुरुषः सोऽहमस्मि. The greatest goal is the Lord, the self alone. Therefore, the highest goal and pursuit can be this alone. Therefore, the entire life's time and abilities have to be utilized only for this spiritual adhyatmic sadhana. When this understanding comes, our understanding is complete. When this conviction comes, our conviction is correct. When the journey starts, our decision is correct. When the journey is continuous, our maturity is complete. And when we reach out to the ultimate and pray there with utter surrender, what we have to do is that completed. And with His grace, Sohamasmi when experienced, all our goal is experienced by us. This is how the Upanishad guides us at every step. Om. 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 हिरण्मयेण पात्रेण सत्यस्याविहितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन् अपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये. He Bhushan, because of your Poshanam and grace, I have completed all the journey which I am supposed to do and have reached your porticos. It is now in your hands to open the doors, to remove the final layers, final coverings, and let me have the Sakshat Anubhava of you. Let me have the Sakshatkara of the Self. हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्य मुखमहिमिदं हे भूषण त्वं तत् अपावृणु सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये. भूषण एकर्षे यम सूर्य प्राजापत्य व्यूहरश्मीन् समूहतेजः यत्ते रूपं कल्याणतमम् तत् ते पश्यामि. यः असौ पुरुषः सः अहमस्मि. हे भूषण, हे कर्षि, हे यम, हे सूर्य, प्राजापत्य, please eliminate this theoretical intellectual knowledge which has helped me so far, but now that alone is obstruction. Samoha tejaha. Keep aside this bright, brilliant stages of the knowledge which brought me up to this. Tejo yatte rupam kalyanatamam. That your most kalyanatama rupa, tatte. Now I am seeing, pashyami. I am able to perceive. I am able to see, I am able to experience. And lo, what I experience is, yosau purushaha, asau purushaha. The Purusha in me, the Purusha in you is same. Sohamasmi. I alone am there in me. I am alone, I am there in the entire world of names and forms. I alone, the self, am there even in the Upasya Devata Ishvara. You alone, the self alone, is acting like Jiva, Jagat and Ishvara. That experience I got of the self to be everything. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Paramanushibhyo Namaha Parabrahmane Namaha Shruti Matre Namaha. Hari Om.